Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Hello, all you creative beings around the world. Have you known that whenever you raise your arms in the air, it's not possible to get unhappy or to stay unhappy? Try it. It is a magic and wonderful kind of thing to embed it in our daily life. You know, it's okay. It's okay when you wish for something, and it is also okay to pray for yourself. Normally it is said that praying for ourselves is not good and wishing for ourselves is also not good. But when we are not in the state to pray for others or to wish for others, then it's okay. We all are not knowing where we stand spiritual. With this I mean, for example, this is our road we have to go. From there, from our existence, to there, to our home, to our real home. Let us say, this is a road, it's a path, and it's good, it's so good that we do not know if we are here or here or here or here. If we would know that, here we would feel very, oh my God, such a long way, such a long journey, I will never make it. And also maybe we would think we are not worthy, we are other people are more worthy than we. When we are here, we would say, oh my God, I have traveled so long, and even then I'm here. That's not fair. If we would have been know that we are here, then we could say, oh, I've almost done it. I'm better than the other. So it is a very It is only like that. It's nothing. So I'm the best. This would cause our backfall. This would cause that we fall down. So it is good that we all do not know where we are, but we know who we are. That's the most important. We are not our body. We are a more great source. You can call it true self, you can call it soul, or anything else. It is inside of us. And if this would not be inside of us, our body would not be alive. Yeah. And so, it is okay to wish something for ourselves. And it is okay to pray for ourselves, for our health. And after a while, you will feel that you get more satisfaction if you're praying for others. Because your wishes will reduce. Because it's okay if you gain something and it's okay if you not gain something. This is also this letting go. So, at least you are praying, because praying to whom you pray is your private thing. Pray to that institution which you have faith in. So if you have faith in nature, then pray to nature. If you have faith in Mother Earth, pray to Mother Earth. If you have faith in any God, pray to any God. It's easy. And prayers are very strong. The more faith you have, the more they will be answered. And the more feeling you could put into that prayer, also the more stronger it will be. Hey, all you creative beings, I wish you wonderful experiences with prayers. Observe it and try it out. You can pray so many prayers, because there in our world there is so much. For whom or for what you can pray. Have a special great day.